Ceridian Dayforce login. How to log in Dayforce account. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Ceridian Dayforce account. Whether you're an employee or manager, accessing your work schedule, pay stubs, and more is easy once you know how. So let's get started. First, open your browser and go to the Ceridian Dayforce login page. Simply type in dayforcehm at cm.com and simply press enter. You should now see the Dayforce login page. If you're an employee, simply click on the company's names and simply enter your username and password. Make sure you choose the correct option. Next, it's time to simply enter your login credentials. If these are the credentials you set up with the employer, you haven't set them up yet, you may need to contact your HR department. If your organization uses 2FA for extra security, you'll be prompted to enter a code. This code will be sent to your email or mobile authentication app. Simply enter the code and click submit to proceed. Now, if you're having trouble logging in, don't worry, you can simply click on can't access the account and you can simply get links under the right or login fields. Follow the prompts to recover your account details or reset your password. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll be taken to your Dayforce dashboard. Here you can view your schedule, check your pay stubs, manage benefits, and even request time off. It's all available right at your fingertips.